A generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy using the principle of electromagnetic induction. The generator features permanent magnets and stator coils. As the rotor spins, permanent magnets create a rotating magnetic field. Stator coils are mounted such way that they are within the before-mentioned magnetic field. Using the principle of electromagnetic induction, voltage is induced on coil wires. It is proportional to the strength of the magnetic field and frequency of rotation. The voltage excites electric current in the stator coils. This current is then directed out of the generator and goes to the rectifier. Within the H-OP project, we designed and built H-OP electrical generator. H-OP electrical generator is a do-it-yourself device that can convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. So H-OP electrical generator is made from two parts. The first part is the stator. You can see the stator here. This is the stationary part that contains the coils of wire, which are here. And the second part is the rotor. Rotor is the rotating part of the generator and it contains magnets, which are visible here. First, let's explain how to assemble the stator of the do-it-yourself electrical generator. The stator is composed of several small components. Here we have a 3D printed stator housing with openings for 3 coils and openings for mounting the stator to the H-OP oscillator frame. Additionally, we have 3 coils and fixing screws to secure the coils in place. There are also some additional wires that will be used to extend the coil wires. These 2 screws are used to attach the stator to the H-OP oscillator housing. And now we will proceed with the assembly of the stator. First, insert the 3 coils into the stator. First coil, second coil, third coil. Secure the coils with the fixing screws. Now we need to arrange the coil wires. The wires of the coils will be connected in a star configuration. This means that 1 wire from each coil will be connected together. It is important to choose the right 3 coil wires that will be connected together. We need to connect together the wires from each coil that came from the middle of the coil. So we need to connect this wire, and this wire together. The remaining 3 wires, this and this, will be connected to the rectifier circuit. First, we will solder the 3 neutral wires that makes star configuration. So we need to solder those 3 wires together. We can add some shrink tube to protect these neutral wires. Okay. So the remaining 3 coil wires needs to be extended. We need to solder an additional extension wire to each of the 3 remaining coil wires. Leave at least 50 centimeters of wire and use heat shrink tubing to protect the wires. Okay. So now we will extend the remaining 3 coil wires. We can protect soldered parts with the shrink tubes. That. Like that. We also have two additional screws. You can put these screws into these openings. Oops. So these two screws will be used to mount the generator stator to the H-hope housing. And with that, we finish assembly of the H-hope do-it-yourself generator stator. We will now proceed how to assemble the do-it-yourself generator rotor. The rotor of the H-hope do-it-yourself electrical generator is composed of several small components. Here we can see the 3D printed do-it-yourself generator rotor. Do-it-yourself generator rotor is made from plastic and has 12 holes. We also have 12 magnets and a quick drying glue. First, we need to install the magnets into the openings on the do-it-yourself generator rotor. Magnets have two poles, south and north. Neighboring magnets in the rotor must be installed with the opposite polarity. We insert the first magnet into the hole inside the rotor. Okay? For the second magnet, the poles of the magnet must be inverted. So we inserted first magnet like that, and the second one must be inverted. We continue with the remaining magnets, ensuring that each neighboring magnet has opposite polarity. So we rotate, insert. After inserting all the magnets into the do-it-yourself generator rotor, we must ensure that all magnets on the rotor are settled with the outer side of the rotor. Now we can apply a small amount of glue to each magnet to secure it in place. Also, for improved harvester efficiency, you can add additional weight to the do-it-yourself generator rotor. Added weight to the do-it-yourself generator rotor increases the inertia of the harvester and helps overcome the bottom and top dead center positions in a rotating system by storing and releasing energy. Additional weights can be screwed in two pre-printed holes on the generator rotor. You can see the first hole here and second hole here. We suggest adding two pieces of 50-gram weights on the do-it-yourself generator rotor. The link for the additional weights will be available in the section below. And with that, we finish assembly of the do-it-yourself generator rotor.